Welcome back to this course on WHMIS. This is Part 4, Safety Data Sheets. Always read the safety data sheet and check supplier labels for information on how to safely handle and store chemicals. Safety data sheets provide more detailed information than the label about a hazardous product's properties, its hazards, and how to work safely with it. Always read the safety data sheet before you use any hazardous product. Your employer is required to provide education and training that will help you understand and use the information provided on the safety data sheet. The 16 sections that must be present on the safety data sheet are listed here. Identification, hazard identification, composition and information on ingredients, first aid measures, firefighting measures, accidental release measures, handling and storage, exposure controls and personal protection, physical and chemical properties, stability and reactivity, toxicological information, ecological information, disposal considerations, transport information, regulatory information, any other relevant information. Sections 12 to 15 require the headings to be present, though the supplier has the option to not provide information in these sections. Here you can see descriptions of the information provided in the 16 sections of the safety data sheet. A safety data sheet is required for every hazardous product made. Safety data sheets must be readily available to workers. A worker cannot use a product if there is no safety data sheet. The employer must ensure that the safety data sheet for a hazardous product is up to date. Employers must also prepare safety data sheets for any hazardous product that they produce. Remember, there are 4 basic questions that the safety data sheet should answer. What is the identity of the product and supplier? What are the hazards of the product? What precautions should you take? What should you do in an emergency? The University of Lethbridge uses an online chemical inventory database called WHMIS. Links to supplier safety data sheets can be added to the database when entering chemicals into the WHMIS inventory system. Alternatively, paper copies may be kept in binders at the worksite. Safety data sheets must be available to workers at all times.